Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa, and today I'm going to start finally working on my waterfall journal. I'm not sure what's kind of made me delay doing this, kind of been putting it off, putting it on the back burner. I don't know if it's a different style. It just kind of not been on my radar to work on, but I thought, you know what, I just got to jump in there and start working on it. Kind of like some of the, you know, you procrastinate on something. Sometimes you just got to do a few minutes of something, and before you know it, it's done. So, not that I'm going to hate this or anything. It almost sounds bad, but I just, I don't know. I just didn't know exactly where to start. So, I guess we just start when we start. So, all right. So, what I've done is I have, I will link the video to the creation of this journal. I did use 12-inch papers, folded them every, you know, half-inch kind of deal to get this huge waterfall journal, closing it with Velcro, yada, yada, yada. So I've done just very minor things to it since I've made the journal. The first couple pages were kind of small. This is a page right here, so I did glue it in so that I could make it tuck at some point. And this one I glued in. So the first 3 pages I glued in as a as it became one tuck spot. I do have this postcard, kind of. It does say it's a kind of a grocery list. That is kind of. Not kind of, it's blank on the back. I did a little bit of stenciling with the Tim Holtz stencil I have with dots, inked it, and that was it. And I put it in this one, so I got to find something to put in that one at some point. So, I think that's about all I've done. Now I've added in here some pages, pockets that I've created in the past. I went through my to-done box, things that I have, and I've found some stuff that I would like to add. So I figured I'll do today is add the stuff that I found. I will try to remember to link the videos of me making these if you're interested in how these were made. We'll see if we get anything made today, or just glue some of this in. We're gonna just kind of go with the flow. So, okay, this first one was created from 6 by 6 pages, where I took 3 different pages and took a little bit of each. And I just did something similar in my bee journal, but they were really bright colored papers, and these were darker papers. So it has a tag, a pocket, and what I've decided to do is I'm going to glue this here. This was cut as 6 inches high, but then I think I cut it down if I remember. It's been a while since I made it. No, it's 6 inches. Okay. So these papers were 6-inch papers, so it fit the theme pretty well. So I was thinking of gluing it like a belly band, so that I can tuck something in there if I want, and if I don't, it'll be in there, and we won't use it as a tuck. But there's the option to do it. I was thinking about just doing it a tuck, but if I did it as just a tuck, I'd probably have to put it like toward the side, and I don't want to totally bulk up the center. So I decided to do it more like a belly band and have it go down the center. So if I got something, this is way too big obviously, I can put that in there. So, okay, that page is done. All right, so we got some postcards. I got a couple other things on the side here. We'll go back in and try to enter them, but there's some things that I did find spots for already. All right, so this one I thought would look good here because it's kind of a good contradiction. So I was going to, I think I'm going to glue this totally down as a pocket, and this is going to go in the pocket. But if I'll leave space that if I want to put something else in there, I can. So I'm going to glue this one down as a full-blown tuck spot, not a belly band. And we'll go from there. So, how is your day going? Hopefully well today. It's a beautiful day outside. I probably should be outside. The cool day in between, some more hot days are coming. No rain. I think all the rain is down on the coast by Florida and that hurricane that hit. So Yeah, I'm not gonna put it in there now because it's kind of wet still, but that is gonna go in there. I think I'll just put it like there for now, so it doesn't fall out. I don't think I ever made this on camera. I think it was just something I put together. It's Tim Holtz paper that I cut a piece out of, a tag that I had parts of. Yeah, just kind of Frankensteined it together. All right, nothing there. All right, I have this. This is part of a thicker piece of double-sided, I think it was, that I had cut out from something else. And I was thinking about also putting this as a belly band, tucking it, and then have to decorate it later. Maybe with some Tim Holtz people. Maybe I'll track somebody down now. Let's see. I think, you know what, let's find a background paper first and then see what we like. All right, I got these. Let's see what I got in here. Let's see what I got in here. It's probably too big. It takes up the whole spot. Takes up the whole spot. Let's see, what do we got? Oh, that's too white. That could be interesting. I have to fussy cut that out a little bit more. Need something that goes up and down, obviously. A lot of these go sideways. That goes up and down, but I think it's a little too thick for. That's more of something I want to tuck into something later as a tag. It goes too wide. Okay, we're gonna get some luck here. I feel something's a-coming. Really should organize this box. There is just a little bit of everything in here. They're too big, right? Just a little too big. Okay. I found that earlier in the big one, but I don't know if I really want to do that because it's going to get covered by the lady. But that's what I put on there. Oh, that could be cool. That could work. All right, we're getting there. This is what happens when you kind of do something on a whim. I think that's the bigger of that. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I'm kind of pulling out some stuff too for other pages, not just this one, because I think it would look cool in here. So, color-wise and, you know, that kind of stuff. Guess I really should have started from the bottom up. This is a little bit better stuff on the bottom. Let's pick. Come here. Okay. All right. Okay. I was thinking of this. It'd be kind of cool. With a lady. With the lady. She's traveling. Not using soap. could work with her. I just want something like that behind there. Where's that little one? I like the color. Okay, we're gonna make this work. I like the color, but I think maybe I like her better. She sits more to the side. Okay. Okay. Yep, we're gonna go with her. Okay, so if I put this up here, I need something longer on the bottom, so I think I just grab a label. Maybe I just want a blank one or something like that. All right, let's get this future item piles out of the way. Okay. And I think we'll add a little bit of book page back here because it's looking a little blank. All right. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, let's get this set. So I was watching TV this morning, the news, and I've come to realize that they like to use breaking news stories way too much. It seems like it's just getting overused. So this morning, they do the introduction of the news, and breaking news. There was a car accident. Okay, it's not really breaking news. I mean, it's sad. 2 people died, 2 lived, but it was kind of just a car accident. Not exactly, you know, life-altering for people involved, but not for the entire viewing area. So, okay. It actually happened hours earlier, so it wasn't like it was in an area where, you know, people got to watch out, you know, blocking roads, anything. It was old news. So right after that, literally the next story, they say, and in more breaking news, like really back-to-back breaking news, and the second one was the local sports team, baseball team, hired a general manager. Okay. How is this breaking news? It's just someone got a job. So no one did breaking news and came in when I got a job. And did anyone come in with breaking news when you got a job? I was just like, seriously? This is breaking news. Life-altering breaking news. It's I don't know. Is it just me? Has it just totally gotten out of hand that, you know, everything is breaking news now? But it, like back to back. And I don't know. Maybe I was just being a little cynical this morning, but like, seriously, this is not breaking news. Either one of these stories. So, that's just my rant for this morning. Breaking news. Like, no, it's not. You know, even the hurricane that came through. Not really breaking news. They knew it was coming. It's a story. Something's happened. You know. Not breaking news. Breaking news is totally unexpected, hardly ever happens, totally life-altering for lots of people. changes the dynamic of the world. That's breaking news. So stop it, news people. Just stop it. I love this. This is cool. I'm quite happy. Okay. All right, so. Oh, is she too tall now? Oh, she's a little tall. Oh, rats. Okay, I'm going to have to snip that down and re-round it. And we'll just re-ink that top part. Okay. This is much better now. Okay. Oh, I love it. Maybe I need to rant about things more often. It's a shame this back is going to be not. I was thinking this was going to be a tag maybe. Should I not glue this in yet? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Should I not glue this in yet? See, I don't want to really hurt. She doesn't need to go sideways. She's too tall to go into a, she's more of something that's going to go. But if she tucks into a pocket, then, because I got like these pockets, but because if she tucks into a pocket, she's probably going to be sticking up. All right. We are just going to go with my first instinct, and we're going to make her sort of a tuck. Leave room to write. Still tuck something in there. Okay. I guess you can't have both sides always. Can you? No, can't have it both ways. Whoops. All right, we'll line this up. Try to get it straight. Okay. Yeah, I like it. Okay. All right, so this one was actually going to be a flip on here. I could flip it out, but now that would be seen. I don't want it, so maybe I'm going to glue it this way. This was, I made these recently. They were, I actually just made some vellum ones recently. These were pockets. Pages from Roxy's Challenge. This was made out of the book page from a reproduction Sears catalog. And when I did the bag this way, all the boots were sideways, so I decided to flip it this way when I decorated it in the video, or after, I'm not sure which one I did it, so that I can make it a flip. So I am just going to glue this down so it becomes a flip like that. So we are just gonna glue the dickens out of this. And then maybe I actually might throw some washi tape on the inside too. All right. Well, centered as best as I can. And this is a pocket. I did cut a little notch out. So I want to stick some secret stuff in there. We can. Some of this kind of washi tape. All right, I think I'm gonna want to get something a little bit more. Okay, I got a couple washi tapes here. They're pretty similar looking, but there's a little bit of pink here. So I was thinking that this would work. No flowers. Or this one is brighter pink. And just say roses and violets. Roses are red, violets are blue, so it's kind of a flower thing. I think I like that one better. Okay. All right, let's snip her down and glue her down. Breaking news, Lisa found some washi tape to use. All right. That should help. Okay. Yeah, so that leaves a little pocket there. All glued. Beautiful. Okay, moving on. Love it. Okay, so this one, I made into a tag with that same kind of Tim Holtz stencil. I forgot, so this is the stencil that I used to make tiny little spots. And it was just a big ticket, and it's pretty tall. It's almost 8 inches tall, so it's kind of hard to stick into a regular journal, but I thought it'd be great to be able to stick this way. Plus, that's the way it's orientated. So, in these same papers, I found this. It was a long strip. It had a postcard on the side here, too. I think this might have been it. Yeah, it had a postcard, the width of the paper. Yeah, I think so. So I cut that off and rounded this down, and I thought this would be cool as a fold over to tuck some pages in. So instead of doing a top tuck, because again, these are more long, I'm going to glue them just on the bottom so that they're more of a side tuck to go in there. So we will start with this little side here because it's easier to control the little one. Get it in the right spot. So I'll be able to stick this in there. I'll take that out for now. And we will glue this side. Just gonna throw a little glue down that center. Okay, now I haven't necessarily found anything for that, or did I have that? I have that, but I haven't backed that yet, so I think I left it there as an option. There, and I don't necessarily think I want to decorate that at all, but this one, too small. Let's see, a little small, but I think it's okay if the writing's hanging out. What do you think? I do. So I think I'm gonna round the edges on this. Not that it's on the edge, but kind of mimics the card it's getting glued onto, which is slightly rounded. Makes it a little softer, I think. So, okay. And gonna just do a little bit of this. Okay, and I just had a thought. What if I put a notch here and glue 3 sides so there's a secret tuck spot in the back? That could be fun. That could be fun, and you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna find my little pointy finger dude. And I might as well just use this. It's sitting out. Little pointy finger dude. Okay, let's get him put back. Oops. All right. I don't think that's the right spot for it. There it is. Okay. All right. Come on, get back on here. There we go. Okay. All right, so we're gonna glue that as 3 sides. Well, that'll be fun. Whoops, right off the card. All right, try to center this a bit. Okay. All right, so we're just gonna make that sit right in there. Cute. And you're in the right space. Okay. Well, that came together. That was fun. All right, so the next one that I have is I found these postcards. They were all off a page in my postcard book, so back of a page. But what I want to do with this one is I'm gonna make that a spot to tuck it in, and then have this stand up. This was a taller piece of advertisement I found, which would never fit up and down in a book because it is 9 inches, so way tall. I thought it'd be fun here because if I stick it like that and it sticks out, you can see circus, fun. So we're going to glue this way, even though the postcard is facing the wrong way. That's okay. We can do that. All right, so get you. Right there. And you'll be able to tuck right in there. Probably end up trying to throw some decoration on that. Look at the stuff I pulled out. Okay. Bicycle club. I don't know. Maybe I should have put the postcard sideways. Let's see what this looks like. And if I do that, then I really don't know it's a postcard. That's fine, right? Okay, we're gonna get one of these to work. We are gonna get one of these to work. All right, put that up there. Herald Square, traveling there, why not? I still like that a little bit better. Okay, let's go with this. I'm gonna snip the corners a little. Okay. I wish things would stop falling, but I guess if my desk was a little less crowded. Okay. All right, so we're gonna put Hodgson instead. Kinda, that looks like it's just a label back there now. We're gonna glue this down. And there's just stuff sticking out. And then my arm is stuck to my blue page. Okay, and then we're gonna just nip off Herald Square scotch. I think you're okay. I think you're okay with the glue stick. Yeah. Okay. So we've got the circus. And the tag. That makes more sense now. I really had decided to put the postcard there because that stamp matched that color, which is still showing, but we don't know it's a postcard necessarily. We do because we saw it, but now it doesn't really look like a postcard. Okay, all right. Okay, so this one, this was a double flip that I did out of 6x6, I believe, or 6x8, and I decided that it's I have a postcard that can go in there, but then I also have one this that can go sideways, and I was thinking kind of like that circus one, to have this sticking out would be kind of fun. But if we have it sticking out, can't go too far. We have it sticking out. I don't know if it really makes sense to do that, so it's too close together. I wonder. Do it back here, up here, that could work. Tuck that in, glue it in the middle, has a big opening there. Okay, I think I'll do that. I don't think I necessarily want to cover that up as much. That's the same paper. Oh, interesting, okay. Well, it is what it is. So if I do it that, I can't do it that way, it's reversed. That would work. you're upside down. There we go. Paper got stuck. Okay. All right, we're gonna do it. We are gonna do it. Okay. All right, so throw some glue 3 sides on this one. I am gluing him. He's not a fully like a belly band. He is a pocket. There is actually another pocket in here too that can be used. And there's a flip up space. If I wanted to put some blank paper there to journal, could do that also. But for now, I'm just going to use that to go there. Hands up even. And this is gonna go, don't want to push it too far because of the glue. Gonna go right about there for the groceries. Yeah, cute. Oh, now we're starting to get some decoration in there. Yeah, getting a little chunky. Okay, all right, so going about half an hour. I do have a couple more pieces here that I have. Maybe figure out where to put. I hadn't decided what I want to do with those. But I have this made from an index card. Got a spot here, a couple little tickets. I thought would be kind of cute to go in here somewhere. I think I need to go on the back side of something because I seem to be doing a lot of front side of things. So that's a little busy. You got something there. You could almost go as a pocket there. We'll think about that. Or a pocket there. Get a little bigger. And I think I do like it. And nope, it was this one. Yeah, I think I like it in that one. Centered that good. Able to get the tag out. Do I want to round the corner or make it pocket? I'll make it a pocket. Okay, I think I am going to round it though. I'll throw the, or maybe I can't. Let's see if I can. This side's a little thick. Let's see if I can. Oh, did it. Okay. Yeah, cute. Okay. All right, so you're gonna go back in there. And you're gonna go in there. Okay, so you are gonna get glued this way. Go ahead and center that. Looks good. Make sure they're tucked out good. Yeah, I should be able to get that in there. I'll have to maybe decorate that. I'll keep that out for now, but I have an option. Okay, all right, so the last thing I have that is pre-decorated that I think would work in here is this. I made this for my bee journal. I used 3 out of the 4 I made, and I just thought this is a good color still for this, so why not see if this can go in here somewhere as a wraparound pocket. So I need something that has a front and a back open, like this. That could work. Oh, I don't think there's anything else left except for, whoops, this small flap, but that would just be weird because it's so tiny. It just kind of goes there though, doesn't it? That kind of really does go there. You know, that might be good because this page ended up being upside down. We'll cover it more. I wonder if I did that, but then what do I do down here? All right, we are going to save that, and we are going to do this. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Okay. Okay. Flying by the seat of our pants, I say. All right. Okay, we'll cut that off. We don't need to glue the whole page down. We will just glue what we need. Yeah, I don't remember when I made this journal if I remember that it was upside down. I'm not sure what the other side looks like. Maybe the other side was fine. Kind of threw it off, but yeah, for some reason that page is upside down. Need to cut a little. I'll wait for it to dry and cut it later. Okay. All right, so these are gonna go just the bottom. I'm gonna glue the bottom and the side. And then we'll do the same on this side. Throw a little glue down the crease. Not necessary. I just like to do it a little bit so that it doesn't seem to want to pull away from the page. Oops. Yeah, I like that colors now. Looks like it's meant to be. Now I had this, it was the right colors. Why not? Right? Why not? I don't know if I want to lose that whole thing. Might be able to do something with that, or make something else separate. I do have these that are a bit tall, but those could possibly work. All right. Well, I think we're gonna call this one done. I think I got a lot of stuff added to it. So yeah, finish that little tag. I'll find something else. We'll do a little, something in there. Make a little tag for that. And this guy's in here. It's got a nice little side belly band in there. We'll be able to stick something in there. And this worked out good. Be able to see little grocery. You got the little fun dude sticking there. Lady Liberty. Like I said, if we want to stick something, you can also put something in there. These cute girls here with that. Nice little other place to tuck something in. Tuck here. This lady's a nice little tuck spot right there. I'll be able to fit. Oh, that might fit really good. And we've got that flip up spot. Paper stuck to me. This with that. Tuck into there. That. Secret spot. And that's cute with the circus. I don't think we have anything back there. No, we don't. Okay. All right. Well, accomplished a lot more than I thought we would today. So that is awesome. All right, so thanks for stopping by and helping me start my waterfall journal. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, a thumbs up would be great. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, want to see the rest of this, go ahead and subscribe. Click the bell so you get notified next time some videos come up. That is going to be it for me today. As usual, have a wonderful and creative day. Bye now.